Okay, now we're doing a little, one of the secrets about using the showers in the men's room. Much nicer, much bigger. Let's take a look. Very nice. Wow. Oh. Oh, that's nice. Place to sit down, water, showers. These showers are huge compared to the ones in the rooms. What a great tip. Tons of towels. And guess what? No one's on here. So this is the perfect time to do this. This place is amazing. They've got awesome men's products. Take a look here. Here to go. Get you ready for the evening. They've got slippers if you want to use them. Ah, so nice. So free. I'm gonna hit the sauna. Oh boy, it is really hot in here. Oh boy. But it's beautiful. Totally empty. Nobody in here. Have the whole place to myself. I'm just gonna sit back and unwind. Okay, that was intense. I'm only staying there for a few minutes. This place is awesome. So I just left the Senses Men's Fitness area. Truly amazing. Please take a minute to like this video and subscribe for more content. Thanks.